Hi, I'm Lotus. Today, join me for a journey to stretch your body and mind. Deep squat and let your arms circle naturally as if you're moving through water. Be sure to protect your joints. Feel your shoulders slowly loosening up. It feels wonderful. Stand firm on one leg and extend your arms to the sides. Find your center. Tighten your core. This is great for abdominal strength. If you feel wobbly, just shorten your range. Take it slow. No rush. Switch sides, plant your weight firmly on the ground, and trust your body. Lift your knee to the side and open your chest. Feel your ribcage expand fully. Feel that gentle warmth in your back. It means your energy is flowing. No need to rush. Just follow the rhythm of your heartbeat. Hands behind your head, lift your knees, keep your core engaged. This is very effective for burning belly fat. Relax your neck, don't shrug your shoulders. Step 1 foot forward and open wide. This helps improve your posture. Keep your breathing steady. Let your movements flow like water. Take a wide stance and extend your arms. Feel the strength in your legs. This is great for strengthening your leg muscles. Stay centered. Feel your chest opening up. Alternate sides and let your hands sink. Sink your breath into your core. Your mind starts to feel calm, too. No need to force it, just follow your body's natural rhythm. Alternate knee lifts and swing your arms. We're working on balance. It's okay if you wobble, it's just your body finding its balance. Keep it fluid, it's great for your heart and lungs. Back to a wide stance, press down deep with your breath. Calm your heart rate. Feel the energy returning to your center. Your whole body feels completely relaxed. Extend your leg, lift your knee, and let your arms swing naturally. Loosen your limbs. Feel that stretch in your side. You're sculpting your body. Keep a natural smile. Enjoy the movement. Switch to the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect, just keep going. Press down alternately and rotate your spine. Keep the movements gentle. Your lower back should feel as relaxed as if it's being massaged. Protect your spine. Don't force the twist. Open and close your arms while squatting. Activate your body circulation. Keep your breathing rhythmic, in and out with each movement. Keep your knees aligned with your toes. Cross your hands in front. Adjust your posture. Stand firm and tall. Feel your spine lengthening upward. Let your breath become deeper and longer. Step to the side and circle your arms like opening wings. Stretch your back. Shake off that stiffness in your back. Move softly with a mind as calm as water. Side lunge and cross your arms. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs. Shift your weight gently between your legs. Sit your hips back. Don't put too much pressure on your knees. Switch your hands up and down, keeping the side steps smooth and light. This is especially effective for relaxing your neck and shoulders. Feel the energy flow through your fingertips, smooth and continuous. Relax your hips and circle slowly. This helps relieve lower back soreness. Find a range of motion that works for you. Comfort is key. Let your joints become more flexible. Exhale as you squat and rise slowly. Your energy is flowing through your whole body. Your body is feeling lighter and lighter. Bring your focus back to your breath. Lift your knee and tap your ankle. Tighten your lower belly and release stress. Keep your core stable. Breaking a light sweat feels wonderful. Step forward and open your chest. Keep your step steady. Correct your posture from looking down at screens for too long. Keep your weight on the center of your feet to protect your ankles. Alternate leaning forward and extending your arms. Feel your spine stretch. If the back of your legs feel a bit tight, that's just your body opening up. That's all for today's practice. If you feel lighter, remember to let me know. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.